So question 40. A set of n equal resistors of value R each are connected in a series to a battery of EMF E and internal resistance R. The current drawn is I. Now the n resistors are connected in parallel to the same battery. Then the current drawn from battery becomes 10I. The value of Na will be 9, 10, 20 and 11. So let's see the answer. So here we have the two cases when the resistors are connected in the series, and another case will be when the resistors are connected in parallel to the same battery. So the first equation will be this, when the resistors are connected in series, that is I equals to E N R plus R. And the second equation will be when the resistors are connected in parallel to the same battery, that is 10I is equals to E upon Rn plus R. So when we'll divide the second equation by 1, we'll get the equation 10 is equals to n plus 1 R upon 1 plus n plus 1 into R, and by solving this we'll get the value of n, that is 10. So this is the right answer. We'll get the answer n equals to 10. So this option 2 is the right answer.